In this module, I'm going to explain on packages. What is package? Before going to the package, I am going to tell the real-time example of package. Okay, take for example software development, and the main route is here managers. Under managers, team leaders will be there. Under team leaders, team members will be there. If each team members contribute here, then productivity will reflect. Productivity will reflect on organization. Here in this example, team members can be treated as the submodules. Submodules. These modules can be integrated together to form package. Here, main package is nothing but team manager. Okay, everything will fall under that. Similarly, in technical terms, package means hierarchical structuring of the module, necessitates using dot notation. Dot here and dot beside dot, so many will be there in order to form the structure. So in order to access this one, we have to maintain certain package. Here package is nothing but it is use of the operating system maintaining the hierarchical file structure. For example, I want to demonstrate practically. Before telling the practical, take one more example like main route is cars. In cars, manufacturing companies are Toyota, Honda, Maruti. This will suit this example. Uh, and coming to the example, please focus on this example. I'm opening the Python shell and file open, and this is the main directory. And inside what I mentioned is cars. Okay, this is nothing but directory in cars only. So many are there. Audi, BMW. These are the models sample. This entire thing modules are integrated together to form entire thing package. In this example, package is nothing but cars. It is one of the directory present here. And this init Audi, BMW, this one sample. These are nothing but the sub packages. That is, it forms module. It is nothing but modules. These different files are integrated together to form a one package. This is the best example that suits. However, we want to run this one. Suppose if you want to open this one Audi. Okay, here I am using the class name as Audi, DF I already showed INIT also their self. This is Q7, A6, A8, A3, and out model self. For loop, okay, I already told. Self dot models will fall into the model, and you need to print that model. Okay, if you run this one, it will print like this. It will store. Okay, first it will store. Later, how to retrieve this one? Again open this one. It will store. That's it. Okay, if you want to run this one, take this a sample from class import. This import is nothing but a package bw is a package from here. Cars is a package, and you want to import this one bw ordination. These are the company names, and you need to call this model like this. However, run models like this. See, this is the current output you are getting. In the previous code, I already showed that X1, something X5, A6, Q7. These are the models Audi. Before I explained Audi. In Audi, these are present here. So result will be printed like this. I hope you are getting what I'm saying. Here you need to understand. Yesterday's lecture, I explained there's modules using functions, and today's concept I explained packages. So packages and modules are integrated together form one entire thing called package. And I told two real-time examples. One is software development, and one other is general manufacturing company cars. Similarly, you can construct anything. These are models, car models. Okay. For example, if you want to take any other thing, take a manufacturing company of biscuit packet. In that, one Parley will be there, and Britannia there, and so many companies are there. And this reflect like this. Entire thing form as different company biscuits are integrated together to form a package called biscuit. That is very interesting to know. Okay. This is the best example that best fits. Okay, likewise you have to open like this and open the class that is called package. Inside this modules are there. These are integrated together. You can execute anything, but common is sample and audi bw design is a three codes are linked together. If init means this one like this, what you're writing like this and you need to run like this. What you are getting, you won't get anything what, because this module this module called sample will reflect everything. You wrote bw code, you wrote audi code, you wrote a nissan code. You need to model, you need to structure the model, and based on that attribute only this printed. I hope you are getting what I am saying, and nothing to take it in a serious manner. Just focus on this, you'll understand totally what's happening. So with this we completed modules and packages. If you observe the yesterday's lecture called modules, and if you apply that knowledge to here called package, if you integrate all modules together it forms a package. And I hope you are clear what I'm saying. So practically, I shown everything. If you open similarly BW also, this is the programming. I8 X1 X5 X6 and out model self. Okay, out and in self. Just look at this code like this. Similarly, you can apply your own logic and say, okay, anything you can consider. Different categories are there to form a structure, hierarchical structure called root, that is called package name. You can apply your own logic. So with this completely package concept completed, and if you refer the previous lecture also, definitely it will work out. And if you apply your own logic, definitely program skills is going to increase. And you have to follow like this. And thanks for watching next lecture, which will be posted shortly, and hardly 3 to 4 lectures remaining. And with that everything completes. And keep watching continuously this channel. If you didn't subscribe this channel. And and every useful everything will be useful only. And thanks for watching.